Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this REALME. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing home screen and lock screen. Now you need to tap on home screen mode, scroll all the way down and choose simple one. Then select apply, click on switch in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode is now on. In order to go back into the standard one, you need to click on settings, click on home screen and lock screen, then home screen mode and tap on one of those. I will go with true one. Then click on apply, click on switch and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!